So we come outside to see the birds today, and yep, they see that I have bread. Can you tell? I don't know if you can tell if they can see that I have it or not, but they jump in the air for this shit. Look at this. Watch. Ready? Oh, I know. They're pretty talented creatures, aren't they? This is what we enjoy doing. Playing with the birds. I know. Oh, oh, somebody dropped the one. Oh, she got it. We had so many numbers today, and it said miracles are on the way for who needs that message. We had 444 all over the place today. We are about to go play with the Oracle of Starlight, and she just happens to be right across the beach from us. Bound to be a pretty day. There is no sun today, but you can make your own light and say hello. I know. Look at them. Mid-flight. Can you think of a better way to spend a day than to talking with birds like this? 'Cause damn, you would think I was up there flying with them the way they just sit in midair. Have a great day, guys. It's gonna be an amazing week. Well, they came back, but I don't have no bread. Should I go get them more? Oh, Imagine Dragons came on. Houdini was on whenever I fed them the first time, just so you know. Yes, we love our birds. I'll attach this one to the next one. Alright, hold on a minute. Let's go get them some more bread, shall we? I forgot to say that I actually have an angel in my bathroom. Yeah. See? Angels follow me everywhere. Oh, you are what you surround yourself with. We went and got them some bread, and they waited on us, apparently. They apparently knew what I was going to do before I knew what I was going to do. How about that? They're like, we'll just wait here for you. In Your Corner by Imagine Dragons is playing. Do you think it's appropriate? Thank you, Spirit. Oh, yes. Love my friends. I got mealworms in the car, and they really love those. That's all I got, guys. Look at this. Oh, I want to pet one. Oh, they're beautiful. Later, guys.